Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we have this Mk2 TTS in with us. So this car has just clocked over 100,000 miles and the owner has brought it in for an injector test and a carbon clean just to make sure everything's running exactly as it should be. It actually had some codes for a very intermittent misfire. It's something we couldn't really replicate that often, but we knew that it was lingering and the cause could be some dirty injectors. Due to the fact that it has some misfire codes, we don't want to risk putting it on the dyno, so we won't have a before and after power figure, but you'll be able to see a very, very clear difference in just how dirty the valves and the inlet ports are in the before and the after. So without wasting any more time, let's get the car in the workshop, get it stripped, and show you just how dirty these engines get when they haven't been cleaned for 100,000 miles. So as you can see behind me, we've got the TT in the workshop. Luca already has the intake manifold off and is currently getting the carbon cleaning done. So we'll walk over now and show you that process. So now we're around in the engine bay of the TT. Luca's got 3 of the ports cleaned and 1 is still as before, so we'll show you that quickly just to show you how much of a difference this makes. So this is how they came to us, and then we come over to a clean one, nice and shiny, nice and free flowing. So we've just ran the injectors through a baseline test just to see where they're at. They were a little bit all over the place, not very consistent. Cylinder 2 was actually injecting quite a lot more than the rest of the cylinders. So what we're going to do now is run them through a couple of clean cycles. Once we've done that, we'll test them again and hopefully they'll be nice and consistent across the board, and then we'll be able to get them prepped up and get them back in the car. We ran the used injectors through another test after we had cleaned them, and unfortunately they actually were just as inconsistent as before, so we recommended to the customer to have 4 new injectors fitted and they went ahead and authorized it. Now we have just done a quick test for you just to show how consistent the brand new injectors are now that they've arrived. So as you can see here, across the board on the automatic flow test, they are all within sort of a couple of mil of each other, which is exactly what you want to see. This will help the engine run nice and smoothly and yeah, just eliminate any sort of issues with fueling, maybe certain cylinders over-fueling, under-fueling. This will just even it all out and give you way more consistent firing in general. So all that's left to do now is get the new injectors into the inlet manifold and get the inlet manifold fitted back to the car. So we have the TTS all back together now with lovely clean intake ports and valves and 4 fresh injectors. So you may have seen when we pulled the old injectors out, the results from the testing were super inconsistent. They just weren't kind of landing where we were hoping that they would land, where we expected the figures to be. Even after we ran them through a couple of cleaning cycles, the results were still super inconsistent and we just weren't very happy with them. So we got in contact with the customer, recommended that it would be best practice to have 4 fresh injectors put into the car. They were happy to go ahead with that, so we got them in and tested them just so we could compare them to the original injectors that were in the car, and instantly it was a night and day difference. The new injectors were completely flat across the board, absolutely beautiful in terms of injector testing, so that was exactly what we wanted the outcome to be there. We also got all the intake valves, ports and flaps cleaned up. So on this car, they were actually pretty bad. You don't normally see them too bad on these 2-litre TFSIs, but this one was really getting up there in terms of the sort of debris and all the carbon buildup on those components. This one does have 100,000 miles on it, so it may have never been cleaned in the past, which could contribute to the excessive carbon buildup. And now that we have all of that cleaned off, the car is running super smoothly, especially with the new injectors. It's doing exactly what it should. As I mentioned in the intro, because of the misfire codes when the car came in, we didn't want to risk putting it on the dyno and potentially causing any engine damage. So we don't have before and after figures, but audibly the car sounds a lot smoother now. And also when you're driving it, it runs way better. So if you have a Mk2 TTS like this one, maybe it's an RS, or if you have the likes of a V7 or a V8 RS4 with a 4.2 litre V8, and you're worried that your inlet ports are starting to get a bit of carbon buildup going, get in touch with our team. We'll be able to get it in the workshop, get it all cleaned out, test your injectors, make sure everything is all as it should be, and get you back on the road nice and smoothly. See you next time.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.